Hello everyone. Is gold going to go up or is it going to go down this week? Well, that's what we'll have a look at in this video, along with 7 major currency pairs and 1 or 2 minor currency pairs, to get you up to date with what the market is doing, how Forex and commodities are moving, so that you can find some good trade setups and make profit this week from the Forex trading. Hi everyone, my name is Rick Ray, and if you'll be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end of this video, there is a subscribe button, and be sure and click that bell so you'll get notifications every time I make one of these videos, which is once a week. Alright, and what you see there in the background, that is Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. So this is my last video from Canada. I've been here for 6 weeks, and next week I will be broadcasting from Bahrain in the Middle East. So apart from that, let's jump into the charts and have a look and see what's coming up for this, the last week in September 2021. Starting with the Euro-US, I have a sell limit, entry price at 1.1740 and take profit at 1.1650. So you can take a screenshot of these signals as I scan through the charts. We know that the Euro-US has been bearish for several days, a couple of weeks, and it should continue its bearish move. It made a big move up last Thursday, and then started to continue down on Friday, closed a little bit higher during the US session, but now is starting to move back down, but let it pull back and give us a little bit better price at 1.1740. Then the AUDUS is also a sell limit, as all of the major pairs are bearish against the US dollar. The AUDUS moved up quite a bit last Thursday, but then started to continue its bearish run down on Friday, closed up a little bit. It has moved up a little bit today, but let's let it pull back a little bit more. It's only another 10 pips or so, and then this pending order will execute. Entry price on the AUDUS at 0.7280, and then take profit at 0.7180. The New Zealand US is very similar to the AUDUS. They move very much together. So an entry price on the New Zealand US at 0.7035. That's a sell limit on the New Zealand US, 0.7035. So let that one pull back about another 15 or 16 pips, and then the pending order will execute. The pound US is also a sell limit. Okay, they take the price at 1.3700. All right, that one needs to pull back about 30 pips. All right, retrace, correct, pull back about 30 pips, and then the pending order will execute. Entry price on the pound US sell limit 1.3700, and take profit 1.3610 as it continues its bearish move against the US dollar. The USDCAD, no trade. Okay, it tried to make a big move up last week, but then, as it always does, it fell back down, moved up a little bit during Friday's session, but then fell back down. So very, very unpredictable, the USDCAD. And the Canadian dollar is strengthening as the price of oil moves up, so I would just rather wait and see to get clear direction on the USDCAD. No trade on the USDCAD or the USD Swiss franc. You see, on Friday we just had sideways movement, no direction, no clear direction on the US dollar Swiss franc. Good trade here on the CADJPY, a buy limit. All right, this is just turned bullish on the day chart, so this is a good entry here at 87.12. Buy limit on the CADJPY. Let that pull back a little bit. It's now trading at 87.62. It has moved up with the opening of the Asian Pacific market, but should come back down and give us a little bit better price at 87.12. Then take profit at 87.90. Then the EURCAD, no trade. Okay, this was bullish for a couple of weeks, but then during last week's session it started to fall down. It's now at a very strong support level and very, very oversold, trading at 2.9 or 3 on the stochastic. Super oversold. So better to wait and get clear direction on the EURCAD. It could go down more, all right, but it's very strong support where it is now, so I'll wait and see if we're going to bounce off of this and maybe have a buy signal tomorrow. The pound New Zealand, no trade. Okay, it's neutral, means no trade. But this one you should have on your watch list. Have it on the radar, because this one, the pound New Zealand, been consolidating for quite a few days, 2 weeks, and it should be getting ready to make a move up. You see how low it is? Consolidating in this very, very strong support zone, but it should be getting ready to make a move up. And it's neutral. It's been bearish for a long, long time, but it's getting ready, I believe. We never know for sure, but it's neutral today, so no trade, no clear direction, waiting for a buy signal on the pound New Zealand. And then lastly, gold. All right, what can we expect from gold? Is it going to go down further? Well, it can, and it is bearish. It's officially bearish. All right, if you look on the long-term chart, it is definitely bearish. But it's hard to hold gold for very long. It's best to get in and out. Take your profit. Don't expect to hold gold for several days or several weeks. It being bearish, let it pull back and give us a better price. Right now trading at 17.49. Let it pull back to our first resistance level at 17.64. That would be a real good entry price to go short on gold at 17.64 and then take profit at 17.45. So I hope you found looking at the charts there to be a little bit useful. I hope you'll be able to take some of those signals and make a good trade setup for this upcoming week. And this is my weekly analysis. Now, I do the videos once a week, so if you'll be sure and subscribe to this YouTube channel, there is a subscribe button at the end of this video coming up shortly, and be sure and click on that notification bell so you'll get notification every time I make one of these videos. But if you would like daily signals, all right, I have a free Forex signal group on Telegram, and you can just contact me on Telegram. My ID is at RickRayFX, and I'll be glad to add you to that group. Okay, looking forward to hearing from you. Let me know if you have any comments or inquiries about this video. And be sure also, here's my question of the day, what do you trade the most? Do you trade commodities? Do you trade gold? How about platinum or silver? Do you trade those commodities? Or perhaps you prefer some minor currency pairs. So let me know, what is your favorite, don't give me a long list of all the different things you trade. What is your favorite currency pair or your commodity that you like to trade the most? Okay, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you found it useful and helpful, please be sure and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks again. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.